Hi my friends, let me show you one UVC LED strip now. Yes, you know LED UVC strip is especially used for sterilization. It is used for especially for medical industry. Yeah, we can custom personalized LED strip. Yeah. We can customize the length, the electric property, color, or any other details design. Now let me show you the lighting. We can customize the different color matching, multiple powers. Yeah, no, it's lighting. We can customize the multiple powers, multiple color combinations, yeah, and the personalized LED shape distribution. We can use varied spec of our LED lighting source, and we can surprise additional service like the different connects design or spatial solar panel design. So let me know your own requirements about UVC LED strip. Thank you.